This is why you need to fix your Chevy Colorado speakers now. No more silent drives, no more missed calls, and no more guessing what that warning sound was. First, check the basics. Make sure your radio isn't muted and the volume's up. Next, see if the problem is on all speakers or just one side. If it's just one, the issue may be a blown speaker or a loose wire. Now, double-check the fuses. Open your fuse box. Look for the one marked audio or radio. If it's blown, replace it with a new one of the same number. Still, nothing? Try connecting your phone with Bluetooth or AUX. If it works, your radio might be bad. If none of the speakers are working, your stereo system could need a reset. Check your owner's manual for easy reset steps. If you hear crackling or the sound cuts in and out, you might have a loose connection behind the door panel. If you're handy, remove the panel and check the wires. If not, a pro can help. Most speaker problems are simple fixes. Don't let silence ruin your drive. Get your Chevy Colorado sounding great again, quick and easy.